Welcome to your weekly horoscope, Sagittarius. From love to career to well-being, the stars have aligned to provide you with guidance and insights for the week of May 15th to May 21, 2023. Let's dive in. Love, Venus is in good aspect and Mars is in dissonance, creating some confusion in love for Sagittarians. This may affect newly formed or already established couples, so be careful not to criticize your partner too much, as it may lead to tensions that are not easy to resolve. Instead, try to find common ground for discussion and dialogue. The stars highlight your great ability to take action and prefer to move around, so don't stay cooped up at home. Your heart seeks new emotions and experiences. Your lucky numbers for love this week are 19 and 90. Career, Sagittarians, you are facing a positive week, galloping towards success with enthusiasm and determination. However, don't lose sight of the present as you run towards the future. Someone close to you may need your support, so be open and compassionate, and try to understand before judging. You may be swamped with commitments, but approach one problem at a time with a smile on your face, ready for any challenge. Stay available to those who need you. You'll realize that money may play a significant role in your life, so give it the right value and pay close attention to your expenses. Be prudent and careful, as some may invest in a new project that won't bear fruit immediately. Well-being, Sagittarians may feel happy but unable to fully enjoy the intense moments of this week. However, surprises may come your way this week, and some situations may unexpectedly resolve themselves. A piece of good news may arrive on the 18th. Your lucky number for well-being this week is 5. General predictions, Sagittarians, the stars are in your favor, and you are filled with a great sense of calmness and serenity for the future. Doubts may try to bend you, but ignore them and continue taking one step at a time. Be available to those who need you, as you'll be swamped with commitments. You have a great capacity for action and prefer to move around, so don't stay cooped up at home. It would be a shame to waste your potential, and your heart seeks new emotions and experiences. Your lucky number for this week is 7. In conclusion, Sagittarians are in for a positive week filled with enthusiasm and determination. However, don't forget to stay open and compassionate towards others, as someone close to you may need your support. Your lucky numbers for this week are 5, 7, 19, and 90. So keep them in mind when making decisions or taking actions. Overall, stay focused on your goals, stay available to those who need you, and trust in your abilities to navigate through any challenges that may come your way. That's all for this week's horoscope, Sagittarius. Remember to trust in the journey and stay open to new possibilities. We'll see you next week for more insights into your future.